Let us finish the service by singing hymn 36. You're on your return, page 10, as we end this service, as we recess. Come for the formalities of the speeches and entertainment and other activities of the kingdom. Hona mwema mwenye choir leaders as we end this service.
Thank you so much, Agape Singers and the Pilgrims Choir, for being part of this wonderful service. The representative of the President and at the same time the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Anita Among Amoti. You are most welcome to Fort Potro and to Toro Kingdom. I will make a statement in Rutoro, and I'm sure by the time you leave here, you will have understood what it means. Toro ne kugonza muno. And the king loves you so much. And we thank God that of all around His Excellency, he saw it necessary that you should be the one to represent him on this 30th coronation anniversary. His Excellency has a very, very strong legacy in as far as Toro Kingdom is concerned. So we really appreciate His Excellency, and we also appreciate your coming to be part of this wonderful celebration where by the time you came, you were triple A. Now you are quadro A. And what a wonderful moment as we celebrate. Today is a wonderful day of the 30th coronation anniversary. In a special way, we would also like to thank Clerk to Council, Honorable Apul Adolf Mwesige, Apul Ntukusima muno, ngono bwabaire Minister w'ebyokwerinda and Veterans Affairs, Ekiri hanu kiro hakikali. We appreciate you for that. We really appreciate you for that. Tukusima muno habwebe. Abantu ba Mukama akubire akandi omudakika nke nagaruka nasinga hamsanga tujja kuba tugenda omumaiso nebindi. In a special way, we would also want to thank the Almighty God for the presence of Princess Ruth Nsemereko Muntale with your dear husband, Duke Philip, and our grandson of Toro on this wonderful 30th coronation anniversary. Ladies and gentlemen, Her Majesty, the Queen Mother, is now a grandmother. Akikutukitero mungaro, webale kulera. Yeah, we thank God for that. Twina abagenyi baingi, abamahalibo tubarukwetegereza rulimi rwaitu orutoro, na bweki ntujja kuhambirizibwa kugira nko twabatangira omurulimi orubarasobora kurahukirwa kwetegereza. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Atok Musa, the chairperson for CASTA, then Hajat Hadija Nsubuga for the Mubende Traders Association. We have Simon Says Mbarara Traders Association. You are most welcome to Fort Poto and to Toro Kingdom. We also have the chairperson LOC5